it's a bolt-on Trike system. It's a bolt-on Trike kit basically. So the bolt-on system is very easy to install. It takes roughly around 25 to 40 minutes. Anyone can do it at home also if they are capable enough. But at a local mechanic store, they can get it done in half an hour. Install it. Our plan is to ship the kits directly to customers and install it. So
and is it a road legal?
Currently, the Scooty kit is road legal. The bike kit is yet to be road legal. Because this is road legal because the wheel pitch of both the wheels on the front is less than 450 mm. So as per the government, as long as within 450 mm, it's still considered as a two-wheeler, so it doesn't need any extra permissions. But that thing crossed 450 mm for the bike, so that's why we still need a permission for that. And so it's road legal. And thanks to our system and mechanic system, the suspension system is basically like the ones you see in our cars. It's a wishbone system. It has two wishbones on the left and two wishbones on the right. So it works like a car suspension system. So thanks to that, you'll feel better. Your ride will be more safer, easier, and you won't feel all the road vibrations. Our guarantee is any pit which is less than 15 centimeters of depth and any speed breaker which is below 15 centimeters, you won't feel those kind of vibrations on your handle. Our tire will take away all those vibrations. So that will make your ride more comfortable and easier, no matter how bad the road is and anywhere in India.
By the way, and what would be the durability of this kit? How do you see the durability?
The durability, my personal testing, I've been testing that vehicle for the last 8 months. I have driven 26,500 kilometers.
On this same mechanism?
On that bike itself. And my longest single ride test was from Hyderabad to Delhi for the Auto Expo, which was 1765 kilometers. I've driven it in 2.5, 3 days. So I've driven that bike all the way from Hyderabad till here.
Oh wow!
Just to enjoy the trip and actually test my vehicle also.
Okay, so you basically came from this vehicle only?
Yeah, I drove that and I transported this on the train, but that I drove it.
Wonderful. And by the way, if we maybe look forward for maybe this product as an innovative product, we look forward as a market product, what would be the cost of this product?
Currently we're still estimating on the cost. Our prototyping costed us around 40,000 to 45,000 for the kit manufacturing of the Scooty, and it cost us around 70,000 for manufacturing of that. But this is in the prototyping phase, so hopefully when we start mass production, I'm assuming these prices will go down by another 20 to 30% easily. So let's hope for the best. We've got the permissions for this. We're waiting for permission for that.
Any warranty for the product?
Currently, I can blindly guarantee you that this is without any flaws. It will run perfectly for another 2 to 3 years.